welcome to day 5 of IoT Design Week. My name is Rachel Fedor, and I'm here in the studio with Clifford Swartz.
Hey guys.
So today we're going to play a fun interactive maze that Clifford actually made himself using our hardware and some software.
Yep.
And we'll get to that after we do the giveaways. So we're going to give away one of each, and I'll announce the winners. And just remember to email us at livestream@microchip.com if you're a winner. So for the ATmega 4809, it's Ditosh Kumar, the Arduino Uno Wi-Fi Rev 2, Andrew Smith, the PIC18F Curiosity, Dave Borgelt, and the AVR IoT is Tim Span.
Very excited.
Congratulations to you guys.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap for the giveaways.
Right.
But we always love to give things away, so we'll probably have more
Very
events
likely.
like this, especially on social media. So if you follow us on like Twitter and Facebook, we'll be doing more stuff like this.
And make sure to send us the things that you guys end up building with these different development boards. I think a large part of the fun of this job is seeing what you guys can do with our parts.
Yeah, definitely. Yep. And so, Clifford, can you tell us a little bit about the game we're about to play?
Right. So the game, if we can pull it on screen real quick, it's a 16 by 16 grid of NeoPixels that's powered by that ginormous power supply right behind it. The benefit and the reason why it's relevant to IoT is that you guys can actually interact with it in chat. So we have a bunch of directions that should be able to pull up on screen, but essentially what you would type in is north, N, U, or up to go up, and then correspondingly the different cardinal directions. But yeah, it's powered by the PIC18F46k42. And the reason why, we can see movement already.
There's a delay, by the way, everybody should be aware of.
There's a delay roughly of like 12 seconds. It will vary depending on YouTube.
It's a feature.
It is a feature.
It makes it more difficult, so
It,
we wanted to challenge you guys.
It encourages collaboration.
Definitely.
Right, which is the whole theme of IoT Week.
Right.
But yeah, the reason why we chose that family is because it is unique in the form that it has a peripheral called DMA, Direct Memory Access. And the reason why that's so important is it allows me to offload the CPU and basically change all those LEDs without actually changing every single LED every single time. And it makes everything so much easier, and I can run everything on an 8-bit PIC wonderfully.
Wow, we have yet to make a mistake, it looks like.
I know.
They're doing a lot better than we did
They're
in
doing
test.
way better than we did in
You
test.
guys are a lot smarter than us. Or maybe you collaborate a little bit better.
Potentially. I don't know.
Because when we were testing it, I was hitting like west, 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 west. And then I guess I got a little overzealous.
Okay.
And we...
Oh. And just to further explain, the red blocks are holes, essentially, that will send you back to start. And you guys narrowly avoided one. And the magenta, way in the upper right corner, is the end.
And I think it's only cardinal directions, right? It's northeast, southwest, or can you use up and down?
You can also use up and down,
you
or
can.
the first letters of that, whichever is the
okay.
easiest.
Wow, they are doing so well.
They're doing way better.
I'm so
thoroughly
embarrassed
impressed.
that we did so poorly when
I
we
know.
tried it.
Well, let's see if they can do this straight away. It looks like some people want it to go down.
Yeah, you have to go. Is it east?
Oh, it's a struggle. We got a hole coming up. Man. You guys are so good. Oh. Not like this. So we have a fun little skull. Let's see what happens if you actually get to the finish. And so you'll see that the red pixel that you guys ended up going into turned into a blue one, which represents the walls. And so the finish is, once again, at the very top right.
So, were we almost there?
We were almost there.
We were almost there? Okay.
There we go.
I am really, really impressed with everybody on chat right now.
I know.
I really can't stress that enough.
Ah!
Oh, that's okay.
I think we may have some trolls in chat.
Oh no.
I think we may work with them. And just to explain a little bit more on how this was built, we used the Curiosity high pin count. I replaced the MCU that was on it with the K42 family member. And I used one of the clicks from MikroElektronika, or as they're now going by, MikroE. The click I used was the WiFly, and it just happens to be using Microchip's own RN131. It's a really good wireless network controller. And that communicates to the laptop right next to me, which is running a Python script which actively scrapes your guys' comments from YouTube.
And I hope you guys all liked IoT Design Week. If you have comments, suggestions, feedback, we'd love to hear it. So I know you're busy in the chat right now playing the game, but you can always email livestream at microchip.com, and we'd love to hear your feedback.
Oh, and I see Michael Pierce typing in RRRRR into the chat. So just to be clear, it exclusively will search for the single character R if you wanted it to go right. Or if you were to put it into a sentence like, I want to go west, it would not parse out that's individual west. Oh, we got stuck in a nook. If you guys like the skull, we have an even a better pixel art when you get to the actual end of the maze.
I'm at the edge of my seat.
So we're in the straightaway.
And now pretty much all we have to do is turn right, right? Or
Right.
yeah.
Just a few more spaces up. Oh, and just like that. One more to the right. Ah. I'm the one that typed in down.
Oh no.
Not again. Who keeps doing that? I think you guys will probably get it this time. I have faith.
I think so too. Clifford, is this something that you had seen on YouTube before, or?
So I guess the kernel of this idea came from a very popular streaming thing that was done on Twitch.
Yeah.
But interacting with YouTube API, there's lots of wonderful tutorials like that on YouTube itself.
Oh, cool. Does Twitch have a delay too? Is it
I believe so. I think
Okay,
it's every
everything.
streaming.
Okay. Got it.
Good work. And there are other avenues. Oh, it looks like we're taking one of the other avenues. It was lots of fun to build. Tutorial of such will be coming your guys' way soon. The NeoPixels themselves came from Adafruit, so big shout out to those guys.
Oh yeah, they're great. We got to meet
Absolutely.
Lady Ada for this. Not in person.
Well, one day.
It was awesome.
There we go. See, what we should have done is we should have made a quicker game, something that would have required faster reaction time, potentially. Your comment will not mess up the maze, Jared. Thank you very much. I can confirm that there is no secret portal in the middle. Well, we may be stuck here. Oh, it's fighting. Almost out. Oh! And in the different direction. Almost there. Oh,
Also, a huge thank you to everybody who's been tuning in every day. I know I always see a lot of familiar names in the chat.
yeah, absolutely.
I think that the Microchip livestream chat is the happiest place in the engineering community. You guys are so nice and friendly, and
Almost there. Oh, we're navigating away from the Nook? And we found ourselves in another one. Davis J.O. says win. He believes in you guys, as do I. Looks like we need to go down one and very quickly left. Prasad, you are right. We should have used the magic portal in the middle. So to answer Jared's question about how it handles bundles, it is exclusively looking for either the word of the cardinal direction you guys want to go in or the first letter of that word. It is not case sensitive. So if you were to type in RRR, it would not count that as a command. Almost back to start. One more right. Oh, sorry, Jared. I misunderstood your question. Yes, it would consider that 3 different commands. There is, of course, the idea to do some sort of aggregate to say most number of people typed in R, and we're going to do R in this interval. But I figured everybody would be free. To answer Matthew Dickens' question, it depends. Probably a little less than 30 seconds. The big variable is the YouTube delay.
Barry asked what board it was again.
Oh, it is the PIC18F46k42. And I believe that's in the description, right? And just to reiterate, we're trying to get to the top right. I like the democracy that is going on in chat right now. To answer Jared's question in the chat, it is connected using MikroElektronika's clickboard, the WiFly click, which on it is RRN 131 part.
thoughts on hosting a guest appearance by Clifford's dog? He's really cute.
Fred is a very cute dog. Oh, the Python script is running on the computer sitting right next to me, which is itself the thing that is ripping you guys' comments from YouTube, and which is connected to a Raspberry Pi, which is then connected to the WiFly click. We're on the straightaway. Oh no. And that Garrett guy is really trying to make us start over. This is a dangerous part. One more. You guys are almost there. No. You guys gotta go up. No! Oh, so close. Well, at least it'll make this time very, very likely that you guys will have it. Almost there. We're on the straightaway again. Oh, and we're going down. Oh no. About halfway there. There's a struggle going on. And the ups have it. Almost there. I think they have it, Rachel.
Oh.
Is it gonna happen?
We're definitely very close.
Unless Garrett does something, I think we have it. Oh no. So quickly in a different direction. That was so quick, guys. Let's see if we can get out of this. No, we did not. Almost. And Garrett said, go to the red in chat, and his wish was granted. Almost back onto the straightaway. It's okay, Fabian. We'll get it this time.
You guys are very tenacious.
Incredibly so. You can hear our studio audience laughing. Almost back to start. It's a good starting place. So to answer Ahmed's question on how to play, you just type in the chat. So if you wanted to go up, you would type U or the word up, or N or the word north, and correspondingly for all the different cardinal directions. There is a delay of about 12 or so seconds, so be mindful of that. And thank you, Atmosphere IoT. The goal is to get to the top right. Almost out of there. And we are on the straightaway. Almost there. Almost there, guys. A tutorial will be written up and posted soon, I can promise you that. Almost there, guys. And Garrett somehow found a way to make us move to one of the few red tiles left. Very close to danger. I believe, guys. So close. 2 tiles away. And we did it. Good work, everybody.
Woo, we did it. Good job, guys.
Woo. Yeah, that was the Microchip maze. Thank you all very much for playing. It was lots of fun making it. It was lots of fun playing with you guys. It does automatically start again.
Oh, okay. Well, we won't play again.
Just for the sake of time.
Okay. So thank you, everyone who's joined us for the week.
Yeah.
Like I said, if you have feedback, just email us at livestream@microchip.com. If you want to see more of things like the maze, more giveaways, that's the best way to do it, because we do read that and we love to see what you say.
Absolutely.
So thank you for joining and playing the game. You guys were great.
Yeah, thanks for having me
they were
on.
much better than
Yeah, even at that, it
than
was
we were,
way
yeah.
better than us.
Yeah, you guys are team players.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, I think that about wraps up IoT Design Week. Thank you, everyone. It's been such a great week.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.